working so hard to stay on my feet.
Me too, man. Me too.
There's Lou. Turn around over there. Andy!
Come on, man, come on.
Oh, and he missed it. Andy with the wraparound. And he pitched it up and over. Come on, get back. Get that puck down, guys.
Knuckle club.
There's Andy. Too many cooks. Good take, good take. Who's it, Lou? Lou still got it?
Yeah.
In the net.
Nice.